Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Netflix profile on Roku. Roku devices are a great cost-effective way to stream Netflix on any of your TVs. Separately, it makes it easy for each user of a Netflix account to have their own Netflix experience by creating a profile. A user with her own Netflix profile will see content recommendations based on what she has watched on that profile, and will also only see shows she's been watching in her continue watching queue. One thing that's not so obvious with the Roku Netflix app is how to change the Netflix profile being used. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to change the Netflix profile in the Netflix app on Roku so you can take advantage of the benefits of having your own Netflix profile. Step 1. Launch the Netflix app on your Roku device. Your Netflix home screen appears. Step 2. Press the left arrow on your Roku remote's D-pad until a menu appears on the left side of your Roku home screen. Step 3. Use the Roku remote to highlight your current active Netflix profile at the top of the menu. Your active Netflix profile will say Switch Profile directly beneath it. Press OK on the Netflix remote. The Who's Watching Netflix screen appears where all of the profiles associated with your Netflix account will be displayed. Step 4. Use your Roku remote to highlight the Netflix profile you want to change to and then press OK on your Roku remote. You'll be routed to the Netflix home screen for your newly selected profile. You can use this process at any time to change to a different Netflix profile on your Roku device. Congratulations, you now know how to change your Netflix profile on Roku. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.